In this video, we are going to share with you a back-tested 1-minute scalping strategy built around supply and demand zones and price action. We will walk you through the entire process step by step. How to find the most important zones, what patterns to look for, where to enter long, where to enter short, where to place your stop loss, and where to take profits. At the end of the video, we'll also show you the real trade examples so you can see exactly how this strategy works in live market conditions. And if you are starting with a small trading account, this strategy will be perfect for you. In this strategy, we will combine supply and demand zones with the price action. The reason for that is that these concepts have been proven to have the highest win rate. So, the first step will be to identify supply and demand zones. Here's how you can make it simple. We are going to use 50-minute charts to find support and resistance lines, and also previous days, highs and lows, because they also act great as the pivot levels. After that, we will use 1-minute charts to find patterns and trade. Here is an example. As you can see this Ethereum chart, it looks like a random price action. But if you look a little better, you will see the levels where the price touches several times. These levels are very important in trading and they are called support and resistance levels. If we go more deep into details, we will see that they are not just two, but we have more support and more resistance levels. Support levels create a buying momentum, while resistance levels create a shorting momentum. We have thousands of people waiting to buy on the support levels and thousands of people waiting to short or take profits at the resistance levels. So, where do you buy, where do you sell, and where you shouldn't do anything? For new traders, biggest mistake is that they will just enter anything they see. They see opportunities everywhere. The number one rule of successful trading is simple. No clear pattern, don't enter. You want to trade a pattern that is seen by thousands of other traders. That means that they are buying and shorting at the same time as you. So your trade has support and continuation. Trading should really be boring. You watch the charts, but enter just when you see a clear pattern. Here comes the explanation of the patterns. First pattern that we use for trading is indecision candle. After the price touches the support line and you see indecision candle, that means that there is a big chance for the trend to reverse. If we had a downtrend, it might reverse in an uptrend, and vice versa. If we had an uptrend and see indecision candle, the trend might reverse in a downtrend. So you watch the charts, and if you see the indecision candle, you're waiting for a breakout and buy the high of the candle and put the stop loss at the low of the candle. You take profits at the next support or resistance level, whatever comes first. The next patterns we use for this strategy are hammer and shooting star. As you will see, the body of this candle is a little bigger, and this is even giving you the more chance to succeed in this trading. You could clearly see that after touching the support line, buyers and sellers were fighting, and when we see a hammer, we know that buyers won that fight and there is a bigger chance in continuation upward. If you look at the shooting stars, you can see that after touching the resistance line, buyers and sellers were fighting, sellers were stronger, that's why we have this big wick, and after that, in most cases, there is a big chance for trend to continue down. We set the same buying, stop loss, and take profit orders. We are buying the breakout of the candle, setting the stop loss below the wick, and we are taking profits at the next support or resistance level. The same works in shooting star, just vice versa. The next patterns we trade are bullish and bearish engulfing. As you will see in bullish engulfing, after the small red candle, after the price touched the support, it formed a small red candle. Now we have a green candle that is bigger than previous red candle. And this is a sign that buyers are coming in and the price might continue going upward. They are setting a buying order at the high of bullish engulfing candle and stop loss at the low of this candle. Again, we are taking profits at the next support or resistance level. The next patterns I'm going to talk about today are double bottom and double top. As you will see, this pattern look like W and M. These signs are double rejection of the support and resistance lines. It is even more chance that if we see this pattern that the trend will continue in our way. We are buying the high of the neckline and we are setting the stop loss at the low of this pattern. Again, we are taking profits at the next support or the resistance level. And the last patterns we are going to talk about today are Morning Star and Evening Star. Morning Star consists of strong 3-candle reversal pattern that show us that the sellers lost momentum. It has one red candle, then indecision candle, and then green candle. We are buying the high of this formation, setting the stop loss and the low of this formation, and taking profits at the next support or resistance level. The same works at Evening Star, just vice versa. Have in mind that these patterns don't work all the time. These are just the probabilities, and as you know, trading is a game of probabilities. So be careful in how much you risk per every trade. If you want to learn more about patterns and technical analysis, you have a full futures trading course where we go into details on our YouTube channel, ADV Capital Academy. As you could see here, we are already trading Bitcoin and we are trying to catch the bottom of this bull market. We are already up more than $11,000, and if Bitcoin goes a little more down, we will add more positions. So to get back to the trade, for this strategy we are using 15-minute chart. We are marking support and resistance lines from the last few days of trading. There is one more swing high right here. We could also see that this level price touched several times, so we're gonna mark one more support line here, and we are switching to a 1-minute chart. As you will see here, we have the price broke down the support line, going back up, and we have inverted hammer candle, which is a clear sign that the price rejected the resistance line in this case. And I'm a little late right here, but I'm going to short just one Bitcoin to show you how this strategy works. Okay? I shorted one Bitcoin. Ideally would be to short right after this hammer candle, because in this case I could short 3 Bitcoins risking the same price. I'm a little late here, so I'm not gonna keep my position until the profit target, but I'm gonna put my stop loss where it should be, which is right about this wick of the hammer candle and right about this resistance line. So the price is 62,938, and I'm going to put my take profit little about the next support line. The reason for this is why I'm putting a little above, because if everybody's waiting to exit at the next support line, I'm putting a few dollars up, so I exit before them. So I'm risking $59 in this trade to make $283. The important rule for this strategy is to have at least 1 to 2 risk to reward. If there is no space to make at least 1 to 2, don't take that trade. I'm going to speed up this video so both of us can save our precious time. So as you could see here, I'm already up $180, almost $200. Here we are, here at the 200 level. So I'm okay risking $50 to make $200. This gives me 1 to 4 risk to reward. So I'm going to close trade right here. I hope you learned something new today and that you like the video we prepared for you. Try out this strategy. You can try first on a demo account. Once you're ready, you can use the real account, and let us know how this strategy works for you. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in some of the next videos.